In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted your form's button to say something more compelling than subscribe, like join now or get updates, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll go straight to the Mailchimp builder, open the exact campaign or landing page that contains your sign-up form, and update the button label with clear, on-brand wording. I'll point out where everything lives so you can make the change confidently in just a couple of minutes. First, head to Mailchimp. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look along the main navigation and click Campaigns. Mailchimp groups landing pages, forms, and other marketing assets under campaigns, so this is the fastest way to reach the design you want to adjust. Inside campaigns, open the specific campaign that contains the subscribe form you want to edit. This could be a landing page or another campaign type that includes a form block. Clicking the campaign name takes you to its overview screen, where you can access its layout and content. From the campaign overview, choose Edit Design. This opens the visual builder for your page or form. Think of this as your workspace. The canvas appears in the center, and a settings panel sits on the right, ready with options for whichever element you choose. On the canvas, click directly on the subscribe button. Selecting it tells the editor which element you want to change. On the right side, locate the button section. If it's collapsed, expand it to reveal all the controls tied to this specific button. In that panel, click the button text field. This is where the label that appears on your button lives, and it updates in real time as you edit. Type in the exact wording you want the button to display. Short, action-oriented phrases usually perform best, so something like join now, sign me up, or get started can work well, depending on your tone. Keep it clear, avoid punctuation that might wrap awkwardly on mobile, and make sure the text matches the promise of your form. If your headline mentions a newsletter, the button could echo that value. If you're offering a lead magnet, name the outcome so people know what they're getting. When you're happy with the wording, click Save and Close. Your change is applied to the design, and you'll see the updated label reflected on the canvas. That's it. The button text on your subscribe form has been updated for this campaign. As a quick reminder, this change affects only the campaign you edited, so repeat the same steps for any other forms that need a new label. Clear, consistent button copy helps guide people through your funnel and reinforces your brand voice, so it's worth getting right. Let's recap the flow one more time so it sticks. Go to Mailchimp, open Campaigns, choose the campaign with your form, click Edit Design, select the subscribe button, open the button section, change the button text field to your new wording, and finish with Save and Close. With that, you're set to fine-tune your calls to action anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.